Stop-It is a knitted fiberglass material coated with a water-activated polyurethane resin. Stop-It can make durable repairs on all metal or plastic pipe in 30 minutes. We will show you how to apply the Stop-It pipe repair system on complicated configurations, such as an elbow or T. Surface preparation and multiple roll and spiral applications will also be explained. The application procedure is the same for white or black Stop-It. We will show you how to use the fix sticks included in each kit to fill holes and cracks or to smooth transitions at fittings. Stop-It requires a rough pipe surface in order to create a solid mechanical bond. Tight rust is a good surface for Stop-It. Loose rust or scale should be removed. PVC needs to have the mold release sanded. Metal pipe needs to be rough scored with a file or rasp. Soft plastics, such as polyethylene, need to be aggressively roughened in order to give Stop-It the uneven surface it needs to bond to. Your safety glasses should always be worn. And before beginning to work with Stop-It, you need to wear the gloves provided in each kit. The gloves are provided for easy cleanup. Stop-It's resins are not harmful, but they are a strong adhesive and will bond to your skin. First, activate the fix sticks by mixing together until the inner and outer cores are completely blended. The fix sticks is applied before wrapping the leak or repair site with Stop-It. Fix sticks can be used to fill holes or cracks anywhere on any type of pipe. Fix sticks can be formed into a rope to go completely around a fitting. Be sure to press the fix sticks tightly around the entire pipe circumference. Whether for a filler or transition material, always use the fix sticks supplied in each package of Stop-It. Ideally, you want to cut off the flow of material in the pipe. Any drip or stream can cut through Stop-It's resins before they have time to set up and cure. If you can reduce the line pressure to 15 to 20 psi, the active leak application procedure can be utilized. Here is how it's done. Put on your gloves, activate the fix sticks, and put it aside. Open the Stop-It foil pouch and press part of the fix sticks plug into the end of the material until it penetrates the weave of the fiberglass fabric. Turn the roll over and press the fix sticks into the tape from the other side also. Immerse the roll and fix sticks in water to activate the resins. Center the plug over the leak site and cinch the tape tightly after completing 1 to 2 complete wraps around the pipe. Continue to wrap the rest of the roll, pulling firmly throughout and working quickly. Re-wet your gloves and begin to compress the expanding resins back into the Stop-It material. Continue polishing the resins until they are no longer sticky. Re-wet your gloves as often as necessary to keep the resins from sticking. There is a small amount of warmth present from the normal exotherm of the activated resin. After the resins have set up, wait 30 minutes for the Stop-It to fully cure and repressure the line. Because Stop-It is so conformable, complicated pipe configurations pose no problems. You can wrap the Stop-It tape around an elbow, a T, or any other type of fitting. The most important thing to remember is to use enough rolls of Stop-It to completely cover all areas of the repair site. On larger diameter pipe, you will find it necessary to apply more than one roll of Stop-It. Whether it is necessary to add one or several more rolls, the method is the same. After you have completed the wrap of the first or previous roll of Stop-It, begin wrapping the next roll on top of the expanding resins. The resins will expand into the next roll, causing the rolls to bond to each other, creating an homogeneous repair. Once the proper number of rolls has been applied, the finishing and polishing process is performed as usual. Spiraling the material over the area will allow you to cover more pipe. You do not need the same number of plies to provide coating protection as you need to repair a pipe leak. Stop-It's ability to handle any pipe configuration makes a spiral application easy to perform. Stop-It can add structural strength to glued or heat-fused pipe joints. Stop-It can rebuild wall thickness on steel pipes. And Stop-It can be used as a durable corrosion-resistant coating. We have reviewed the basics of applying Stop-It, from proper surface preparation and using the Fix-Stix epoxy to how to handle a low-pressure active leak. Special applications such as multiple roll and spiraling were demonstrated. Stop-It is an easy product to use and provides you the solution for all of your pipe repair problems.